Immaculate two-bedroom apartment with serene river views in a peaceful condominium. Discover this spacious and impeccably maintained two-bedroom apartment nestled within a quiet condominium, offering easy access to essential amenities and boasting sumptuous views of the river and bridge. Apartment features excellently maintained, 2 spacious bedrooms, serene river and bridge views, abundance of natural light, cozy. Fireplace, open living area, suite with private bathroom, elevator access, closed condominium for added security, street and outdoor parking, heating for comfort, alarm system for peace of mind, balcony to enjoy the view. This apartment offers the perfect blend of comfort and tranquility, with easy access to local amenities, an inviting fireplace, and the allure of breathtaking river views. It provides an ideal setting for serene living. Don't miss the opportunity to make this delightful apartment your own. Contact us for more details and to arrange a viewing today. Don't dream your life, live your dreams.